Next topic is vector addition by analytical method. What is this? Vector addition by analytical method. So analytical method means splitting analysis. Analysis means splitting. Okay. See here. Let us take two vectors. Let us take the vectors A B. A is a vector. B is a vector. What is A? Ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. Vector B equal to bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. What is this? For suppose this is vector A. This vector A splitting into three components. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is z-axis. What is this? Vector A. This vector A split into three components. What are three components? Along x-axis, that is ax, along y-axis, that is ay, along z-axis, that is az. So the unit vector which is along x-axis, that is I cap. The unit vector along y-axis, j cap. The unit vector along z-axis, that is k cap. I, j, k. What are those I, j, k? I is the unit vector which is along x-axis. J is unit vector which is along y-axis. K is unit vector which is along z-axis. So this is a component method. Component method. So next vector B. This vector B splitted into three components here. So x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Along x-axis, what is the vector? Bx. Along y-axis, what is the vector? By. Along z-axis, what is the vector? Bz. So what are the unit vectors? Along x-axis I cap, along y-axis j cap, along z-axis k cap. Now if we want to add these two, how can we add? So here, what is the addition? So if you observe here, this is vector A, ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap, b equal to bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. So this is the addition. A plus b gives resultant vector r. If you observe here, this is ax can be added with bx, ay can be added with by, az can be added with bz. So this, when these two vectors added, ax plus bx gives rx. Ax plus bx gives rx. So next, ay plus by gives ry. Next, az plus bz gives rz. The resultant vector along x-axis, the resultant vector along y-axis, the resultant vector along z-axis. So if you observe here, this is resultant r, resultant vector r, rx I cap plus ry j cap plus rz k cap equal to, this is vector A. What is vector A? Ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap plus, what is b? Bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. So how can we take common here? This is I cap, this is I cap. I cap is common. So we can take common I cap from these two terms. So that is ax plus bx into I cap. Next one is from these two terms j is common. From these two terms j is common. If we take j common from these two terms, what are the remaining terms? Ay plus by. Ay plus by into j plus, as like that, From these two terms, what we can take common? K cap common. So if we take K common, what are remaining terms? Az plus Bz. So Az plus Bz into K cap. So this is the resultant vector R. This resultant vector R along x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, that is Rx I cap plus Ry j cap plus Rz k cap. If you compare both sides, I cap సేమ్ ఉంది మనకు. Rx ప్లస్లో ఏముంది? Ax plus Bx. సో సెకండ్ టర్మ్ Ry j cap. సో ఇక్కడ j cap సేమ్ ఉంది. Ry ప్లస్లో ఏముంది? Ry ప్లస్లో ఇక్కడ ఏముంది? Ay plus By. నెక్స్ట్ k cap same. What is the value at the place of rz place లో ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉంది? Az plus Bz. So we can write here Rx equal to Ax plus Bx, Ry is equal to Ay plus By, Rz is equal to Az plus Bz. So this is the analytical method of vector addition. Okay.